Ontario Motor Sales. Thanks so much for taking a closer look at our 2020 Chevrolet Equinox in this beautiful Cajun red color. We have the nice HID headlamps up front with the LED daytime running lights. This is a 2-liter turbo engine, so it's going to give you lots of power if you have towing needs. It does come with the trailering equipment included. It runs on those nice 18-inch aluminum wheels. It has a lot of great standard features on the inside, so let's take a closer look. Let's have a look at the front seat. You'll notice it is keyless access entry, so you do not need the remote in your hand. We have cloth interior, power driver's seat. There are several great safety features for this vehicle. They include lane keep assist, front pedestrian braking, as well as forward collision alert, which you can access right on your steering wheel. For technology, we do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This allows you to connect your smartphone right to your vehicle. Also, you do have your climate control and heated seats. Love that feature. Here's your push button start, making for an ease of access experience. Lots of great features to keep you both comfortable and safe while you're on your travels. So if you'd like more information on this vehicle, please visit us online at ontariomotorsales.com or give us a call and come experience it.